Hey, it's Matt West. Listen, a common question that I get asked all of the time is, how do you get lasting change? One of the most common things that people talk about is how they want to make changes in their life. But we live in a time where we want the change to happen instantly with minimal effort. See, one of the challenges is that we don't stay consistent. Why? Why do some people say that they are going to do something and then fall back to their old habits after the initial excitement about the new opportunity in their life? We can agree that taking action on the new opportunity for a short period of time isn't lasting change. If you want lasting change, you have to give up the mindset of dabbling in the latest opportunity. You have to decide you are going to commit to what you want to become. And when I say commit to what you want to become, what I mean by that is that most people don't know where to get started. And even if they did, they don't have enough detail to be able to follow through. They haven't made the shifts in their mental mindset. And it isn't that difficult, but it requires a clear path and consistency. Think about it. Everybody has bad habits. Everybody gets fearful. We get anxious, overwhelmed some of the time. Your life isn't controlled by what you do some of the time. It's about what you do consistently. And here is a secret. Whatever you want to improve, it's important to track your progress frequently. Think about it. Think about all the successes and failures in your life. It came from 40% of your behavior. Success comes from taking the right actions and taking the time for what matters most and becoming who you want to be. You have to commit to personal and meaningful goals and stay consistent to achieve mastery. The challenge is today we don't have the patience. We want it right now. People don't want to put in the effort it takes to mastery, but focus on consuming more information. They have the knowledge and then they try a few things, and when it doesn't work, they try something else. If you want to enhance the quality of your life and have a major shift, you have to set yourself up to win. You have to set yourself up with a system that allows you to consistently grow, consistently enjoy your journey in life, and consistently produce the results you want. And that is my job. My job is to care deeply about your well-being and help guide you at that moment you really need it in your life and produce results that you can measure. The bottom line is, I will provide you a personalized system that will be catered to measurable results. And why is this different than any other services? Here's how. You will be empowered. You will hold yourself to a standard of creating a clear path and measuring your progress, helping to guide you and doing it in a way that saves you the time of traveling to an office. I will schedule a time weekly that is convenient for you. So here is my offer to you. If you are serious and you really want to improve your life, and you know for things to improve, you have to improve. We all have it within us. And so what we have to do is we have to have a system to do it. So take advantage of my system. If you don't improve the specific areas of your life, I will offer a money back guarantee. Get guided and focus on the areas you want to change. whether it be your habits, your emotions, or the way you manage your time. And one of the ways I can help you out is if you just are kind of interested and you're not sure whether you want to commit yet, I have an opportunity for you to book a free session, free of charge, and you'll get a chance to gain clarity and focus on the areas you want to improve and why you want to improve those areas and what strategies that will get you there to get started in moving forward. Now, I'm excited, as you can see. I'm here to get you consistent results. Click the link below and give yourself a chance. Success is a